Today is a very special day, and tonight is a very special night. It's the night before Easter. Our story is called Ollie's Easter Eve. In this story, we're going to learn 5 new words all about night and waiting. Are you ready? Let's begin. The forest is very, very quiet. Everything is still. Can you see? Our little friend, Ollie the Owl, sitting way up high on a branch of a big, strong tree. Look up at the sky. The moon is so big and bright, like a silver coin shining down on the world. Tomorrow is Easter, Ollie whispers to himself. He's so excited, he can't sleep. From his high branch, Ollie watches everything happening in the forest below. He sees the tall, dark shapes of the trees reaching for the sky. Hugh sees the quiet river flowing gently, sparkling under the moonlight. Can you hear that? Oh, wait, you can't, because everyone is sleeping. The bears are sleeping in their caves, the squirrels are curled up in their nests, and the deer are resting in the meadows. Everyone is fast asleep. But Ollie is awake. He's a night owl after all. His big eyes can see everything, even in the dark. He watches and he waits. What is he waiting for? He's waiting for the morning to come. He's waiting for Easter. As he watches, he sees a little movement down below. It's a small bunny, hopping quietly through the grass. The bunny is hiding a colorful basket behind a bush. Ollie gives a little hoot of happiness. The Easter bunny is here. Ollie looks back up at the sky. Thaws. The stars are twinkling like tiny diamonds scattered across a dark velvet blanket. The air is cool and fresh. Ollie feels very peaceful. He loves the quiet of the night. He knows that soon, when the sun starts to peek over the mountains, the forest will wake up. It will be full of laughter and joy as all the little animals search for their Easter baskets. But for now, he just sits and enjoys the beautiful, still night. What a lovely story. Ollie the Owl is so patient, isn't he? He enjoys the quiet moments while he waits for the fun to begin. Now, let's learn the 5 new words from our story. Our first word is still. In the story, the forest was very still. Still means not moving or very quiet. When you are sleeping, you are often very still. Can you try to be as still as a statue for 5 seconds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job! The opposite of still is moving or noisy. So, still means very, very quiet and not moving. Our next word is branch. The story said, Ollie the Owl sits on a high branch. A branch is a part of a tree that grows out from the trunk. It's like the tree's arms. Birds love to sit on branches, build their nests on branches, and sing from branches. Next time you see a tree, look for all its different branches. Our third word is tomorrow. Ollie whispered, tomorrow is Easter. Tomorrow means the day after today. So, if today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday. We often get excited thinking about what we will do tomorrow, just like Ollie was excited for Easter tomorrow. What are you going to do tomorrow? The 4th word on our list is awake. The story told us everyone is sleeping, but Ollie is awake. Awake means not sleeping. Right now, you are awake because you are watching this video. At night, most people are asleep, but some animals, like owls, are awake. Are you awake right now? I hope so. And our 5th and final word is wait. Ollie watches the forest and waits. To wait means to stay in one place until something happens. You might wait for the school bus in the morning. You might wait for your turn to play a game. Ollie had to wait all night for Easter morning. Waiting can be hard sometimes, but it can also be a peaceful time, just like it was for Ollie. Fantastic! You learned 5 new words. still, branch, tomorrow, awake, and wait. Now, let's see if you remember the story with a few fun practice questions. Are you ready? First question. Where is Ollie sitting in the story? Was he sitting on a rock or on a branch? That's right. He was sitting on a branch, high up in a tree. Second question. What color was the moon? Was the moon silver or was it green? Yes, the moon was big and silver, shining brightly in the night sky. Question number 3. Was the forest loud or was it quiet? It was very quiet, very still, because almost everyone was asleep. And our last question. Who was awake in the story? Was the little bunny awake or was Ollie the owl awake? You got it! Ollie was awake, watching over the forest. You did an amazing job today, learning new words and listening to our story about Ollie's Easter Eve. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Remember to be patient and enjoy the quiet moments, just like Ollie. Thank you so much for joining me. Be sure to subscribe for more fun stories and learning adventures. See you next time.